أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وعلم آدم الأسماء كلها ثم أردهم على الملائكة فقال أنبئوني بأسماء هؤلاء إن كنتم صادقين. قالوا سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. قال يا آدم أنبئهم بأسمائهم فلما أنبأهم بأسمائهم قال ألم أقل لكم إني أعلم غيب السماوات والأرض وأعلم ما تبدون وما كنتم تكتمون. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. So I have recited Surah Baqarah Ayat number 31, 32 and 33. So these three ayat is the same message in all three. So about Adam alayhi salam, because the knowledge of everything was given to Adam alayhi salam, blessed to Adam alayhi salam from Allah. So is mentioning in these ayat, and when Allah presented Adam alayhi salam before the angels, and then the supremacy of Adam alayhi salam was open before the angels, and they accepted that really the Adam alayhi salam is the best person to be Khalifa of Allah on the surface of earth. So the presentation was so much that so Allah tells us that because Allah knows everything, so this way, these special blessings which have been done to Adam alayhi salam. So Allah explains that in this ayat. We can start this one. Allah said, wa and allama, and Allah ma mean Allah taught. Allah, he wa allama, and he taught, and Allah taught Adam alayhi salam, asma mean the names. So Allah taught Adam alayhi salam the names, kullaha, all of the things. So all the names Allah taught Adam alayhi salam. Summa, then aradahum, then presented Adam alayhi salam, Allah towards malaika, towards the angels. So allama Adam al asma'a, and Allah taught Adam alayhi salam names of kullaha, all the things, everything, names of everything was taught by Allah to Adam alayhi salam. Then summa, then aradahum, then presented Adam alayhi salam alal malaikate, before the angels. So then Allah presented the Adam alayhi salam before the angels. Then Allah said to the angels, faqala, and then Allah said, Ambiuni, inform me, tell me, Bi asma, the names, haulai, of these things. So the different things these are we don't know, but it we expect that these are the things, everything of the world, in this world, and maybe world hereafter, maybe the all the things which are at the surface of the earth or on the skies or everywhere. So we don't know, but we know that so much things, the knowledge of different things that has been blessed to Adam alayhi salam. So then Adam alayhi salam was presented before the angels, and then Allah said to the angels, you tell me about the names of those things. In kuntum sadiqeen. In, if kuntum, you are sadiqeen, truthful. If you are truthful, then you tell me the names of those people, those things. فقال أنبئوني بأسماء هؤلاء in kuntum sadiqeen. So Allah said, you tell me the names of these things if you are truthful. Because the angels, they were thinking that in the beginning, that thinking that they were expecting that they must be the Khalifa on the surface of the earth. But when Allah said, Allah presented Adam alayhi salam before them, and then Adam alayhi salam told the names of everything. Then the supremacy of Adam alayhi salam becomes uh, visible, and in the hearts of the angels, and they found the truth that Adam is really is the person who has capability to be a Khalifa of Allah at the surface of the earth. And then when Allah said to the angels, next ayat is explaining that angels, they know, they said, we don't know, only we know the knowledge that has been blessed by you, O Allah. They told Allah that, O Allah, the knowledge that you have given us, we only know that one. We don't know anything else. So this way, the next ayat we can read now. Qalu, they said, it means the angels, they said, Subhanaka, O Allah, purify to you. La ilm, we have no knowledge. La ilm, ilma lana, lana to us. We have no knowledge. La ilma lana, we have no knowledge. Illa, but, ma, what, allamtana, what you have blessed us, what you have taught us, you have given us. So the knowledge that you have given us, you taught us, we know only that one. We don't know more knowledge, just only know that one what you have given us, or you taught us. Innaka, no doubt, indeed you, anta, you, antal alimul alim, all know, you know everything. Hakim, you are having all wisdom, all wise, you are all wise, all knowing everything. So they said, you, Allah, you know everything. We have no knowledge of anything except what the knowledge we got from you. So this is the knowledge. Actually, you can see the knowledge that have been given to Adam alayhi salam. So that was the knowledge of the different things, even the properties and all those things, all the knowledges, even the science, and all the knowledges, science, arts, different things, everything, knowledge of languages, different things, what the knowledge is throughout the world, every knowledge that is already there or that will come up to the day of judgment, and the knowledge of everything, so that has been given to Adam alayhi salam. Now the Adam alayhi salam, we are the generation of Adam alayhi salam, we have that knowledge, and we can get the knowledge also, because knowledge inside our blood, that is there also. When we learn that one, that reflects to our blood and coincides with that, and then comes into the memory us. So we memorize that one, then it comes, yes, that was. So we found that, yes, that was inside us, but we refreshed, we learn, we understand. So learning is actually to reviving the knowledge that is already blessed in our blood, because we are the generation of Adam alayhi salam, and he was blessed that knowledge. So this way that comes to us. But when we learn that one from teachers, so that knowledge which is in our blood automatically that reflects and coincide with that knowledge, and then it comes into our memory, and we become a knowledgeable person of that subject or that thing. So due to that, the people, they can discover different things, they can invent different things, so they have knowledge of different, so they can apply knowledge to find different things. So this way the knowledge is that one which have been blessed by Allah to Adam alayhi salam. And when Adam alayhi salam was presented before the angels, and angels were having not that type of knowledge, then they said, "Oh Allah, you know, we accepted. Yes, Adam alayhi salam is supremacy of him. We accept, because he has the ability to be a Khalifa of you on the surface of the earth." So this way, the angels, they are now, they know this one. So this way, Allah explains that one in this ayat. We can read ayat again from the beginning, first ayat, then second 31 ayat. Allah said, "Wa'allama," and Allah taught, Allah blessed the knowledge to knowledge of things. Allah wa'allama, and Allah taught, Allah blessed Adama, to Adam alayhi salam, asma, the names, kullaha, the everything. So the every names of everything. So Allah taught, blessed the knowledge of everything to Adam alayhi salam, the names of everything. Then summa, then aradahum, then Allah presented Adam alayhi salam alal malaikati, towards the angels. Fakala ambiuni, then Allah said to the angels, Fakala, so he said, ambiuni, tell me, inform me, be asma'i, the names, haulai, of these things. You tell me the names of these things, tell me the knowledge of these things. So in kuntum sadiqin, if you are truthful. But the angels were unable to tell, because they were not to know about that. So this way they said in the next ayat that explains, the angels, they said, Qalu, they said, Subhanaka, purity to you, glorify to you, Ya Allah, La ilma lana, we have no knowledge of anything, illa, but, Ma allamtana, but we know only that you taught us, you blessed us, we know only that knowledge, but except that we don't do anything. So innaka anta, innaka, no doubt, indeed you are alimul hakim, you are all knowing and all wise. So the angels, they said this. Then Allah said to Adam alayhi salam, Qala, Allah said, ayat number 33, Qala, Allah said, Ya Adamu, O Adam alayhi salam, ambihum, tell them, inform them, bi asma'ihim, the names of those things. Tell the names of those things which you have seen now, which are present, which were there, and Allah shown everything. So Allah said, tell the names of these things to them. To them mean to the angels, because they were before there. So Allah, when Allah said to the Adam alayhi salam, Adam was obedient. Adam also told, Adam said, when Allah said, Adam alayhi salam, Allah told, Adam alayhi salam told the names of everything. So this way Allah said next, Falamma, and when, Amba'ahum, when he had informed them, he told them, Bi asma'ihim, the names of those things. When Adam alayhi salam told the names of those things, then Allah said, Qala, Allah said, Alam, akul lakum, alam, did not, akul, I said, lakum, to you. Allah said, I did not told you, I have not told you. Inni, indeed, I, alamu, I know, ghaib, the hidden things, unseen things of غيب السماوات, of the heavens and skies, wal ard, and the earth. And I know what are the hidden things on the surface of skies and earth, everything I know. Wa alamu, and I know ma tubduna, what you open, and you open mean which are visible, which visible from you, or you show that one, which you reveal that I know that one. Wama, and what kuntum you taktumun, and you conceal, you hide. Allah said, I know what you hide and what you make open. So I know what you show something, what you hide something, I know everything. So because you know that in the angels there was uh, there was sitting the Azazel also. Azazel is the name of Iblis, the Shaitan. So he was also sitting in the group of angels when Adam alayhi salam was presented before the angels. So this way Allah said, Allah knows that at that time, this way Allah said in this, وَمَا كُنْتُمْ تَكْتُمُونَ, and what you are hiding in, I know that one also, because he was hiding in him, and that the jealousy, or you can say the mm, jealousy, proudness, and something like that. I'm better than Adam alayhi salam, or something. These type of emotions or ideas coming in him. So these things were in him. So this way Allah said before the angels that I know what you are showing us openly and what are you hiding. Everything I know. So this way Allah said before them. We can read this ayat number 33 again. Qala ya Adamu ambihum bi asma'ihim. Qala ya Adamu, when Allah said to Adam alayhi salam, ambihum, tell them the names of bi asma'ihim, the names of those things. So falamma ambahum bi asma'ihim, then Adam alayhi salam, when Adam alayhi salam told the names of those things, and Qala, then Allah said, Alam akul lakum, I have not said before you, inni alamu, indeed I know, ghaib samawati, that I know the hidden or the unseen things of the skies and wal ard, or and the earth. I know all the hidden things or unseen things of the skies and the earth. Wa alamu, and also I know ma tubduna, uh, what you open or show, wa ma taktumun, and what you hide. So that is the thing. So this was the ayat number 33. Inshallah, we continue this.